Welcome to 1426 Commodore Way, situated in the private gated community of Harbor Islands in East Hollywood. Come take a look. This spacious 6-bedroom, 4.5-bath home is a boater's dream. Park your vessel and all your water toys right in your backyard. Take a swim or lounge on the dock overlooking the spectacular marina.
Just minutes to the Intracoastal with no fixed bridges and ocean access, Harbor Islands is one of the few luxury waterfront gated communities located east in South Florida. Shopping and restaurants located right around the corner. This community has been a well-kept secret for too long, so we're sharing it with everyone. Enjoy a peaceful walk in the beautiful Joe DiMaggio Park with the newly equipped children's playground. World-class amenities include a clubhouse with a gym, pool, tennis courts, pickleball courts, and basketball courts.